I'm Kim Ling. Today you will see how I transform my empty room into a beautiful manga room. You will learn how I created a manga wall, refreshed my old table, converted my closet into a hobby shelf, and pretty up my window. This will be a very inspiration video. Enjoy! I highly recommend using this sticker paper to make your own manga wall, especially if you rent and don't want to damage the walls. This sticker paper adheres well, but it's also very easy to remove if you're not satisfied with the result. Printing any manga you like was so simple. I used almost 120 sheets to cover one side of the wall. A pack of 100 sheets costs around $10 to $15, depending on the brand. The most expensive part is the ink, but I haven't had to replace it for this project yet. And the ink costs less than $70. My table is super old, and the previous sticker paper was very difficult to remove, so I just placed the new paper on top of it. The hardest part was the drawer section, but since I don't really look at it while working on my laptop, I covered the messy parts with some stickers. Before, I stored all my stuff in these drawers, but now I use them to hide wires and chargers. All the items that used to be in the drawers are now in this movable storage cart. I organized everything and decorated the closet with cute stickers. Now I have sections for books, folders, mail, colorful pens, drawing supplies, and printing paper. Previously, I stored a gas bed in the closet, but I have repurposed the space for outdoor gear. Camping, hiking, and skiing equipment are all here now. I moved the bed to the corner to create a cozy nap spot for work days. I raised my shutters slightly higher to display my Gundam and Cubone figures, and add light white curtains to make the room feel cozier. Since my room is mostly black and white, I use plastic red roses to brighten up the space. My room makeover is finally complete. As a finishing touch, I use a replica I made for One Piece as a stand for my Google Wi-Fi, and add some sticker to my laptop. Now my manga room is officially done. I'm Kim Ling and I create anime related content. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.